and welcome back to the channel. Today we're on a small little mission. You can see there's Andre waiting for me already. We're on a mission. We're going to go look for, I'm gonna get the wrap, but we're gonna get some wrap. We're gonna do some interior pieces on the car since we can't do any outside work because you can see they are predicting rain. It was raining last night and they're predicting rain again today. So yeah, we're just gonna go get some wrap and some alcohol or benzene, and Andre's looking for a heat gun. So we're gonna go check where we can find a heat gun. I have to make sure this gate's closed because it's giving issues. What's wrong with the gate? Oh wait, Old Faithful. I thought I was gonna hear and wake up all my fucking neighbors when you got here. I was like, oh shit, okay, maybe I must just get done and go wait outside. Neighbors claw my car. Guys, we just stopped at the garage quickly. You know what it is, we have to get that monsters, so we just popped around here by the garage quick, and then we're gonna go try and get that heat gun, and then we're gonna pop around by Auto Styling and Voortrekker. They're the ones who sell the wrap, specifically the one I'm looking for the gloss wrap instead of the matte I don't like so much. It looks faded and it just doesn't look nice. I had matte way back. I had a Cortina Mark 5 way back in the day before I had the Mustang, and before I had the Mustang I had a Ford Focus, and the Cortina was actually quite nice, but we redone the interior with the wrap of the Cortina because the Cortina had like a wood finish on the inside, which I didn't like, obviously, because it's an 80s car, so it's, you know, they like that wood finish and that brown interiors and shit. Anyways, so we're basically doing it in gloss and not the matte, because the matte looked good in the beginning, but also I don't think we even knew about the gloss back then. Anyways, we bought the matte, and the matte goes lighter after a while, sun damage and shit like that, where I think the gloss, because of the reflection of the gloss, that's going to repel that a little bit, so it won't get as badly damaged as the matte. But the matte also has a rough feel to it. It's not completely smooth either. So but yeah, we're gonna see what we can do today. Shit, that's fucking Gorsuki. But we're gonna see what we can do today with the wrap. We just gonna be an attempt and see how it comes out. If it comes out nice, then you know we can do the rest of the stuff. But yeah, let's check what we can do. So guys, as I predicted, it started raining. We're just here quickly filling up, and yeah, then we're gonna go get the wrap. We got the heat gun, so we got the heat gun all sorted. The heat gun was $250, which is not bad at all. All the others are like 300 and over. We just wanted a cheap one just so that we can do the job. So yeah, just filling up quickly, and then we're gonna go get that wrap. To show you guys, that's a before and that's a after. You can see it. I'll show you that side. It's the first time we're attempting to do wrap, so it's not the best, but it's better than what that looked. I think it looks quite nice. Better than what that looks. That is full of scratches and shit, so you can't really see any of the scratches now. This is just the thing itself that's causing issues. The material underneath that's making bubbles and shit. And then we're doing this centerpiece here quickly, just to see if this sticks. If it doesn't stick, because that's not actually a hard plastic, it's more like a steering wheel, because that's where the airbag is in. Picked up that nice Dixon heat gun for like 250, so that's okay. And that heat gun's gevaarlijk, yo. It's got two settings, one is 350 and the other one's 600, but the 350 already burns the shit, so it's more than enough. Yeah, the Mustang's coming out. It's sticking.
Yes.
Kinda.
Kinda.
I told you it's not gonna stick. You're seeing if it can stick. Stick it. Okay, so what we've done was that bottom piece now as well. That bottom piece here at the bottom, it's super dark, you can't really see that it is carbon fiber, and if you go really close to it, instead of focus, but yeah, those are just chips in the bumper itself, but looks really good. It's a nice little touch. You know, it's the small touches that make a difference. So all we need to do now is install this piece over here, but we haven't got enough wrap, so I'll still have to get more wrap for that. We're just going to finish up on the interior. We're going to do that other side door handle, and unfortunately that middle piece didn't stick, so yeah, just going to do that door handle on that side. As you can see, that one's already done and it looks good, looks really good. So yeah, the wrap's just a little thick, so we're gonna get thinner wrap to do that center console, that piece over there, and around the vents, and that black piece over there that we also want to do. But I think I'll get thinner wrap for that. I think this is more an exterior wrap than anything else, because it's quite thick and it sticks better on the exterior. So there's this. Hey Gaia. So I'm gonna get thinner wrap for the interior and do the rest of the interior with the thinner wrap. But yeah, so far so good. Just one more piece done for today, and then you can see, like I said, that's the finished product on that one there, and it looks quite nice. I really like it on the exterior. I actually think this will work. This works the best on the exterior than on the interior itself, because the interiors there's a lot of folds and bends and shit like that, so it's more easier to do the interior with a thinner wrap than this thick vinyl wrap. Okay guys, so finished product. You can see that side's done and that side's done. Now by all means, like I said, it's not a professional job. You can see we had the loss over there and we couldn't really get into the cup. With hydro dipping you would be able to get in there, because the wrap's just too stiff to get in all the crevices and stuff like that. This is texture. This isn't bubbles, it's texture from the panel itself. They look pretty good. I'm not complaining. If you look at it like this, it looks pretty nice, and I like the gloss effect of it. So there's some gloss inside here now, because everything's very not glossy except that, and even though it's polished. But what we're still going to do is this, you know, this whole setup, that whole piece there at the bottom around that way. I want to do this piece over here as well, that cut out, and then I also want to do the armrest on top as well. The armrest, I think we're going to have an issue, because the armrest, it feels like that same material as this, and this it didn't stick on, so I think we're going to have an issue with that. Not really sure. We can try. I mean, there's no harm in trying, because when it heats up, it sticks, but as soon as it gets cold it doesn't adhere to it. It might be because of the texture, or because it's so smooth. Like, you can hear that. Even though we rubbed it down with the rubbing alcohol, the benzene, it still didn't stick to it. There's no how can I say, any oiliness or anything, or fattiness or whatever that's on there that's not making it stick. It's just, I think it just doesn't stick to that kind of texture or material or whatever. And then we're also going to do this here, try and get it in there as well. If the hydro drip isn't expensive, then I'm just going to do the hydro dip, because I want to do these pieces as well. And it's going to be impossible to wrap that, so I'm just going to go full hydro dip. I wanted to hydro dip this as well. This comes out, so this I can let them hydro dip that piece, and this piece maybe as well. So yeah, it's a bunch of small pieces. I just want to hydro dipped. But yeah, well, I'm kind of satisfied with like I said, this is the first time that we attempted wrapping, so, and I'm quite satisfied with the end product. You saw us do the back bumper as well, and that looks pretty good. That looks better than this, because these are like small little bends and stuff like that, and all that shit that kind of gets in the way. But that back panel, the back piece of the bumper, is just really straightforward. So this would have looked amazing as well with that strip down the middle, the carbon fiber strip down the middle, but it just doesn't stick. So yeah, I'm getting in contact with someone, a place called Coated out in Kalani Gardens. I'm getting in contact with them to find out how much the hydro dipping is going to cost. I might just go and get this also then hydro dipped if it's not too expensive. Oh shit. That's it for today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. It's just a small video. I know I didn't show the process of the wrapping itself, but I mean, you've seen one wrap video, you've seen them all. It's basically just apply heat, rub it down with benzene, apply heat to the wrap, put the wrap on, put heat on once again to get it all stuck on and sticky, and that's about it. And then it's on, and it doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. I'm checking it all the time to check if it's coming off or anything like that, and it's on, it's stuck, it's not going anywhere, it's not coming off, so which is a good thing. But yeah, like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please drop a like, drop a comment down below. I mean, probably gonna get slammed in the comments, but like I said, in no way are we professionals. We just try to do it ourselves. A nice little DIY project to do. So yeah, it came out pretty decent. And like I said, if you do like the content, drop a like, subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this, building the Reaper. We're trying to do it on a budget build. You know, everyone's trying to do a budget build these days. Car hobby gets really expensive, so but yeah, if you want to try it, do it yourself, why not? I mean, I have no problem in taking this off again and you know, getting it done, hydro dip, and do it the proper way. But this is just for now, just to spice it up a little bit. And like I said, I don't think it looks too bad. So yeah, this is Riding the Reaper. See you in the next video.